All right, let's take a look at Nvidia. The stock is back in the red today, down more than 5% over the past week. The move lower coming ahead of its upcoming annual developer conference. That is all the hype, and that is a big focus. One of the big focuses here on the street over the coming week. Now, investors are looking ahead for news that's going to fuel the company's growth after a roughly 80% surge that we've seen since just the start of this year. And of course, coming off a staggering move to the upside in 2023. We want to bring in Ivan Feinseth. He is Tigress Financial Partners Chief Investment Officer. Ivan, it's great to have you here. So we have Nvidia. It almost seems like nothing, to some extent. Yes, we're seeing some pressure on the stock here today and over the last couple of trading days, but nothing seems to be stopping Nvidia's momentum here to the upside. Is this developer conference that we have on tap next week, is that just going to be another catalyst for the stock?
Oh, absolutely. And in fact, I think the only person right now who could pack more people into an event other than Jensen Huang is Taylor Swift. I mean, the anticipation of this event is huge. It's the first time it's going to be live in 5 years. They're attracting, I think, over 18,000 people. And the big focus is hopefully going to be the announcement of the new Blackwell 100 processor, which will even be more powerful than the upcoming H200 processor.
Yeah, let's talk about that and some of the details there. I'm reading that the RTX 5090 could be 50 to 70% more powerful than the 4090. And this is all to say the cutting edge technology that Nvidia has advanced just gets more cutting edge. How far are they separating themselves from the pack here?
Oh, just when everybody thinks that the competition will catch up, they just blast forward and ahead. I mean, it's not only about the power, it's the speed, the reliability, but most importantly, it's the integration of the software as well as the hardware. They lead on everything. And also, it will be a combination. I mean, for your most critical apps and in critical data centers, you're going to want NVIDIA GPUs. Maybe for secondary services, you'll go to a less powerful processor, but NVIDIA leads the way. And this AI investing theme is just at its infancy, and NVIDIA is viewed as a core holdings in this investing theme. So this is part of what's been fueling the stock's incredible gains.
I mean, are you confident in NVIDIA being able to turn its current massive lead that it clearly has within the AI space into that longer-term dominance?
Absolutely. They are the dominant force, and they will continue to be so.
Let me ask you this. Jensen, he formulated this company well over 2 decades ago, and it seems as though he's been preparing for this rise in artificial intelligence that we've only become acquainted with over the last few years, but this is really decades in the making. How far has he seen, and then how much more does NVIDIA potentially have in its bag of tricks because of this foresight that we haven't even grasped yet?
Because even to quote, I believe it was Tom Siebel from C3 AI who said it, that every company will be a AI company. Every company is going to use AI in some form to better connect and with their customers, to better manage supply chains, to better target marketing efforts. So every AI will be in every aspect of a business and will continue to increase. I mean, Jensen is already talking about, he's been talking about for a long time in healthcare, the opportunities to apply AI in healthcare for drug testing and development, for genomic mapping. I mean, there's so many frontiers that have even yet to be addressed that he has built out the capabilities to enable this. So this has a huge runway.
All right, we're going to have to leave it there. Thank you, Ivan Feinseth, Tigress Financial Partners Chief Investment Officer.